Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decoration. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text decoration thickness property. For what? For the decoration line. The text decoration thickness property is used to set the thickness of the decoration line. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works quickly before the time runs out. As you can see, right here we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS text style. That's where we are able to give it double underline right here. I'm going to change the style or leave the style like that and increase the font. So what we are going to use again is another style which is called text decoration. Text decoration text decoration thickness property. So I'm going to use this text decoration thickness and I'm going to give it what? A value. Firstly, let me give it value like I can give it different value in different ways, but I just want to give it. Firstly, let me specify values in pixel. Let me give it 23 pixel first and reload our document. Can you see how it looks? It looks like a box quickly. Just see the way it looks. So it looks like a box. So I can decrease it. Maybe I can give it 10 pixel. Can you see? You can understand this very well when I use just a single underline. So I'm going to use a solid right here. Previously we have discussed about the CSS text decoration line and text decoration style, but right now I'm using it now. Can you see? Now we are having solid, right? So the way you want this thing to tick, maybe you want it to tick. Let me do something right there so you can see it clearly. So this one is the one we want to start increasing. So firstly, let's keep it 0 so you can see what I'm talking about. No, let's give it 1. Yes, let me give it 1 pixel. Can you see? It's very tiny, very tiny something. But when I increase this tiny something, I give it let me give it 5 pixel. When I give it 5 pixel, can you see it's thick? When I give it again, when I give it 10 pixel, you're going to see it's going to, can you see it's getting thicker? When I give it another thing, maybe I give it 20 pixel, it's going to get thicker. So that's the benefit of using the thickness, the text decoration thickness property, because it increases the thickness of your whatsoever underline you gave. So let's say for instance now you specify the overline in this. If it is overline, so everything is going to be thick also. Can you see the overline is thick? So it just depends on what you want to do. I don't know what you are really thinking of doing. So you can specify wavy. When you specify wavy right here, you are going to see the way the wavy is going to look. Can you see the way the wavy is looking? So it just depends on what you are trying to do. So I don't know what you are trying to do. I don't know what you are trying to perform. So when you specify 1 right here, 1 pixel, I'm going to show you how it looks. Can you see how 1 looks? So and when you specify more than 1, it's going to look somehow. It's going to increase. Maybe you specify 10, you are going to see, can you see it gets bigger. When you specify 5, so it just depends on what you are trying to do. So please make sure you practice this, because practice makes perfect. The text decoration thickness is used to make your document looks more bigger, your decoration line more bigger and look somehow solid. So let's keep it more solid. Can you see this is the solid? So it just depends on what you want to do, as like I'm saying. So 18, when I give it 18, can you see? So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Once again, I wish to see you guys next time, but before I go, I have to show you another style, which another way you can use this. You can use the solid, can give it auto, because by default When you specify auto right here, let's see what will happen. Can you see the automatic value that is here is around maybe 2 pieces or 3 pieces. Let's specify 2 pieces in it, so you can see the value of the auto maybe is the 2 pieces, maybe is 1 piece. 1 piece, let's give it auto. Maybe there will be any changes, there will be any different. Can you see there is a difference? But let's use 1.5. Definitely around 1.5 is the automatic value which is there. So if you try this, you test it, you are going to know the main automatic value by default. So when you specify auto right here, definitely the default value is going to be like this. So that's one of the things you have to know again. And also there's other thing I have here in this document. You can specify it in percentage, you can specify it in double, you can specify it in percentage also. Maybe you do 20%. If you do 20%, it's going to be big. Can you see? And you can specify it like, you can give it 90%. Can you see? So just depend on what you want to do again. And also let me see, maybe I have anything other thing. Yes, thickness percentage, or yes, I think we are done for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. To the next. Thank you.